Hello everyone, my name is AJ Swindell and I am the CEO of Always Win Incorporated. I am also a professional real estate investor, musician, and music producer. In this webinar, we're going to be talking about cash flow businesses for nonprofit organizations, such as churches, foundations, charities, boys and girls clubs, or even if you are part of a clergy. This topic hits close to home for myself as well because my father was part of clergy. He was a pastor over a church, and I also worked for a nonprofit organization called Renaissance Youth Center for over 10 years. So I am definitely familiar with nonprofit organizations. So today I'm going to elaborate on the multiple income streams that nonprofit organizations can receive. Before I get started, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button below so that you can be the first to receive any of my new videos. If you have a nonprofit or if you're thinking about starting a nonprofit organization, make sure you apply for your 501c3 or 508c1a. The purpose of the 501c3 is so that your nonprofit organization is tax exempt. That means that you do not have to pay taxes on the things that you purchase. Second, you want to incorporate your nonprofit organization to have protection. You want asset protection always. If you do not have a 501c3 or a corporation for your 501c3, please make sure you get prepaid legal services. Here it is right here. Here is all the information for it, okay? You can contact me directly and I can email you the forms to fill out so that you can speak to licensed attorneys to show you how to set up your nonprofit organization and how to apply for your 501c3. The cost of the prepaid legal services are very cheap. It can be anywhere between $25 to $50 a month. For those of you who don't know, to speak to a licensed attorney is very expensive. They can charge anywhere between $350 to $1,000 an hour, not a month, an hour. And that hour flies by very quickly, especially if you have a lot of questions. So please save yourself some time, save yourself the money, and just purchase the prepaid legal services where you can get unlimited consultation. You can ask as many questions as you want. Take full advantage of it. I promise you, this will be the best investment that you've ever had in your entire life. It is totally worth it. I use this company for everything, for any type of information that I need. I always reach out to this service and someone is always there to help me. That's why I'm so knowledgeable in a lot of the things that I speak about. If you look at all of the videos on my YouTube channel, everything that I'm speaking to you guys about, I always get confirmation from licensed attorneys. You want to make sure that everything you do is legal and ethical so that you won't get into any trouble with the law. So take advantage. Okay, the first cash flow stream is senior living homes, such as independent living homes, residential assisted living homes, as well as adult family home care. For those of you who are not familiar with these particular senior living situations, say for example, you may have a grandmother or an aunt that is elderly, but they can do for themselves. They have independent living homes for seniors at the age of 55 and above. So your nonprofit organization can buy real estate with grant money. Okay, you could do this several ways. You can buy the real estate with grant money, or you can also reach out to what they call hard money lenders. And as long as you bring them a really good deal, which is a property that is way under market value, the hard money lenders will lend money on these type of homes. So here are some of the benefits that you can receive from having an independent or a residential assisted living or an adult family home care. You get consistent monthly cash flow. You get to charge per bed, not per room. You also get to charge higher rent. You pay no property taxes. You gain equity a lot faster in the home. You can also borrow from the equity of the home to buy more properties and create multiple streams of income. Now, allow me to elaborate on the amount of wealth you can accumulate. So, if you have 2 beds in a room, you can charge per bed. Let me show you how lucrative this is. Let's say you purchased a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, and every bedroom is big enough to fit 2 beds in them. Depending on which business you choose to open up, whether it's the independent living, residential assisted living, or adult family home care, you can charge a minimum of $2,000 per bed. Not per room, guys, per bed. So if we have 2 people in 1 bedroom that's paying us $2,000 a month, you're looking at a total of $4,000 for 1 bedroom. Now let's multiply that. We have 4 bedrooms. So 8 beds times $2,000 per bed. You are now looking at a total of $16,000 a month. And you want to know what's the best part about this, guys? Being that you have a 501c3, the 501c3 is tax exempt. That house that you purchase is tax exempt. You don't pay any property taxes. So now you can cash flow even more than the average person that has to pay taxes. On top of that, say for example, you took out a loan, a federal loan, or a loan from a private lender, or a hard money lender, or even a bank loan. You're making 16 grand a month. You can pay that house off in a matter of years. This is not going to take 30 years. I promise you. You're looking at paying this house off within 3 to 5 years max. Let's do the multiplication. $16,000 a month. Times that by 12 months. That is $192,000 a year. Okay? Now, let's take $192,000. Let's multiply that by 5 years. You're looking at $960,000. That's almost $1 million in just 5 years. That's pretty quick. There's not too many investments where you can invest money and make almost $1 million in 5 years. The best part about it is that you can get these grants and loans, okay? If you apply for all the different grants that you can receive from a nonprofit organization, that's free money. It's a grant. You don't pay it back. So you're leveraging the money. So it doesn't matter if you have a big organization or a small organization. I know a lot of churches and organizations think that they have to be big and have a lot of members and have a lot of people on the board in order for this to work. That is not true. All you need is a handful of people with a vision and a willing mind. Second, cash flow business. You can rent homes to veterans and military. Here are the benefits. you get guaranteed monthly cash flow. You get to charge per room. Also, you pay no property taxes. You gain equity in the homes. And once again, you can borrow from the equity of the homes to produce more revenue streams. For those of you who don't know, veterans and people who are in the military get a check from the government every month to take care of their living expenses. So you have a lot of people in the military who move around frequently, and they're always looking for a place to stay. They're always looking for places where they can rent. And by you providing housing to the military, that's charity. That's part of nonprofit. So you will find donors and investors that don't mind lending to your type of charity or nonprofit organization. Third, cash flow business. You can fix and flip houses. You can get the financing to buy distressed properties that need a lot of work done to them. As long as you're getting the property at a really good price that's way up under the market value, you can fix up these homes, put it back into mint condition, and then raise the value of the home by doing this, and then sell the property to a retail buyer. Your retail buyer can be a company like Sony Mae or Fannie Mae. These are also nonprofit organizations as well. You can also sell the property to a veteran. Veterans are eligible for VA loans. VA loans are 0% down payment programs. All they need is the proper income to handle the monthly mortgage and decent credit. That's it. Now, what are the benefits? The benefits are you get a big rate of return on your money. Some people make between 20% and up. And of course, you get the big tax break because you have a nonprofit organization. Some companies can make $100,000 on one flip. That's very easy to do. If you get the right property and you get the right contractor that'll work fast on these homes so you can sell them quickly, you can definitely make a big return on your money consistently. Last but not least, the final cash flow business is rent to own. Your organization can buy properties and sell them to charities on a rent to own basis. What are the benefits of this? You get paid 4 times on one house. There are no maintenance required. You pay no property taxes. You produce large returns and monthly income. And you get to borrow from the equity of these particular homes to buy more properties and do more rent-to-own homes, which will definitely increase your income and monthly cash flow. If you are interested in learning how to purchase properties at deeply discounted rates and also finding the funding, the financing to fix up these particular homes and put them back on the market and rent them out or flip them to other charities or to do a rent-to-own strategy, click on this link below. I have a free real estate webinar that will explain all of the different strategies that you can implement and duplicate for yourself or your organization. For all of the churches, clergy, bishops, deacons, deaconess, trustees that are listening to this webinar, if there has been a decrease in your membership or a decrease in the tithes and offering in the financials of the church, implementing these strategies will now supplement for the income loss that you have experienced. You will no longer have to rely on the tithes and offerings to cover all of the expenses of the church, because you will now have multiple income streams to fuel all the operations of the church. You can now get a full band if you wanted to. You can bring in professional singers to enhance the service. You can even get a brand new sound system and hire a crew to live stream your services so that people all over the world will be looking in and having church with you. You will no longer have to worry about a building fund, because now you will have multiple cash streams that you can tap into so you can renovate your church. Here is my contact information. I can be reached directly at 917-745-5078. You can also text this number as well too, and someone will get back to you. My website is www.alwayswin.com, and it is spelled as you see it, www.allwayz.com. And my email address is aj@alwayswin.com. And keep in mind, you do not have to be a mega church or have a large corporation or organization to implement any of these strategies. All you need is a handful of people that has a rich mindset and the willingness to serve their community. If this webinar was informative to you, please make sure that you share this video to all of your friends, family, and loved ones. My goal is to help you achieve financial freedom by showing you how to always win.